Eclectic Whimsy is located at 2801 Placida Rd in Grove City, Florida. If you haven't had the chance to come to this unique little store, it's run by Kelly Crocker and Carolyn Myers. This unique little store has furniture, gifts, and accessories for friends, family, and for your home. Their inventory is constantly changing because of the local artists that sell their wares in the store. I'm sure that you're going to love the things that you find because each one is unique and locally made. They have regular classes on how to do antiquing and painting of furniture that you may have collected or something that you might have on your wall that you want to update and make it look antique but modern at the same time. Say hello, Carolyn.
Hello, Carolyn. Hey, Robin.
And this is your partner with Kelly, right?
Yes.
For Eclectic Whimsy.
I met Kelly by taking a painting class, and then she did a bunch of work for me when I was too busy to paint my own furniture. And here we are today. It's worked out really good.
Awesome.
We're very blessed.
Great place.
Thank you.
And we're actually doing a class on this at the end of the month. The glazing, the waxing, and the finishing. Because it is, some people don't get it. And basically you just...
You're bringing out the highlights.
Yeah, you're antiquing. Yeah. You're adding a little more dimension. Okay. You don't see this till it dries.
Right.
So you're putting it on going, am I doing this right?
Yeah, that's
Just do it. If you don't like it, guess what? We could put paint over it.
So a little distressing here. We're putting some dark blue and then I think we're going to put some other dark.
This is actually going to turn black.
It will?
This is not blue, this is black.
Black.
They stand out.
I like that. I was wondering how you did it. I'm like, were the letters made that way?
I love the one with the flip up. I know, I saw.
Off inside.
It's gorgeous.
You got a little pocket, three pockets in here.
Inside.
And then the button
If you
flap,
want.
and then more pockets out here. I mean, these
Great.
bags are just so...
Very, very nice.
I've never buttoned mine.
Let me tell you, Coco used to do shows up in Massachusetts.
Yes.
And a friend of mine from Massachusetts has one of her smaller bags over here. The gray one. The gray one, yeah.
She actually has this one.
Okay.
Okay.
And you know she's had it for a few years, and
It's been almost 3 maybe.
It's her go-to bag. She uses it all the time. These things last forever.
Oh, I love that fabric.
The pillows?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what we're gonna do with those, but if we take them apart, I'll give you the material.
Oh, I love the fabric.
Eclectic Whimsy. Come visit us. Reinvent your home.